I combined breath work with Qigong and the results have shocked me. And I'd love for you to share a 2-minute practice with me so you can see for yourself. This practice will help you calm your nervous system, to come back into your body, out of the mind, and to find some softness and some ease. Beautiful. So landing in Qigong, standing, the spine is nice and long, the bum tucked, and spreading your feet. And interlacing the fingers, breathing in, reaching up to the sky, and a breath hold here, breathing out. If these breath holds feel too long for you, you can breathe in your own rhythm, holding the breath out here, breathing in, holding the breath, breathing out, softening the face, landing, holding the breath out, breathing in, hold, breathing out, hold, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. And our next move, bringing in the earthly chi, palms to the ground, breathing in and breathing out. Now, how slow can you make your breath? Moving with your own breath. As you inhale, your arms lift up. And as you exhale, your arms come down. How slow, how kind can you make this breathing? Relaxing the face. Breathing down into the belly. How slow, how kind can you make your breathing? And the heavenly chi, palms to the sky, breathing in. Moving with your own breath. How slow can you make your breathing? And breathing in, the left hand picks up the left leg. Breathing out, hands by the sides, feet together, taking a breath here. And our Tai Chi salute, fist with the left hand, palm over with the right. A bow, and acknowledging you for your practice. I hope your breath serves you. You can keep coming back to this video to calm, to slow, and I hope you have a beautiful day.